The Futures Lab is a course within Parsons Paris as part of the Integrative Research and Development course, and it's a program that we have developed in partnership with the Copenhagen Institute for Future Studies and Deutsche Telekom to introduce students to futures literacy and the design of futures, to research trends, to anticipate different scenarios, forecast different possibilities in the future, and then also prototype artifacts and prototype experiences for the future of multiple industries. This is a course that happens over the span of 15 weeks where students get to explore the future, research the future, but also collaborate with practitioners from the industry that come to the lab and co-create together with those students.
I see that future scenario planning and sustainability work very, very well together. That the combination with the students was very, very helpful for them to look into the future, very inspiring for us to get insights how the future could look like. Nicklas and Maurits, the tutors, they really managed to bring together these competences.
Futures-oriented education can empower students with the critical thinking, creativity needed to create innovative ideas and new prototypes so that they can own and inspire their own imagination rather than living in the imagination of others.
Some of my favorite highlights, I think in the group works, it was very fun to see us working together when we build things like prototyping, working very hands-on with materials to actually develop these artifacts. For me was really fun.
I learned that the future doesn't have to be scary, When you think about the future, you don't think about necessarily the bad things, but what it could be, because we are in the active process of shaping it.
My favorite part of this course was creating the actual prototype, and it was really nice to work in a group as we all had different ideas.
This course really opened my eyes on technology, on artificial intelligence, and let me kind of see the world in a different way.
My favorite aspect of this class is when we went to the UNESCO Talk of Futures and we got to see how actual companies see the future and talk about it.
Our group explored the future of the Olympic Games. We really sometimes did not really know what we're doing, talking about, and really embraced the process at the end as everything came together.
I think it helps them for critical thinking, for really assessing some of their ideas, maybe what they would like to do and maybe what they maybe should not do, and maybe critically look at what they're envisioning and whether that's the future they would like to live in.
Let yourself believe in the possibilities of a future rather than remaining very cynical and very kind of demotivated by the future. I think if you really look at it in perspective, there are so many possibilities that are, as frightening as they are, they're still very exciting.